How to Organize Your Life as a Law Student in relation to the book Building a Second Brain by Tiago Forte. Organizing your life as a law student can be a challenge, but the principles outlined in Building a Second Brain by Tiago Forte can be very helpful. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Capture your thoughts and ideas. Use a note-taking app or journal to capture any thoughts or ideas that come to you throughout the day. This can help reduce the burden on your memory and free up mental space for more important tasks. Create a digital filing system. Use a digital filing system, such as Google Drive, to organize your notes, documents, and research. This will help you quickly access the information you need and reduce the risk of losing important documents. Use calendars and task management tools. Use a calendar to keep track of important deadlines and appointments, and use a task management tool to keep track of your to-do list. This will help you prioritize your tasks and stay on track. Set up a routine. Create a routine for your day, including specific times for studying, taking breaks, and completing tasks. This can help you stay focused and increase productivity. Regularly review and reflect. Set aside time each week to review your progress and reflect on what's working and what's not. This will help you make adjustments and improve your systems over time. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being by incorporating exercise, healthy eating, and stress management techniques into your routine. This will help you stay focused and productive over the long term. By following these principles and customizing them to fit your needs, you can create an organized and productive system that will help you succeed as a law student.